Hi Acorns, it's Carol. How you doing? Look who I brought home with me from our classroom. A little kitty cat. Do you remember him? The little tail? Can you tell me what kitty cat says? Meow, that's right. What colors does this kitty cat have? I can see orange and almost a yellow beige color, and there's brown. He has stripes on him, doesn't he? How many legs does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And he has a cute little tail. It says meow. I bet he misses you guys, don't you? Yes, he does. Well, let's see. I thought I'd read Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup! By James Dean. Let's see what I can find inside this book. I know a lot of my friends have come in with hiccups in school, and we never know how to get rid of them, do we? Let's see what we have in this book. Hiccup! Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup! Hiccup! How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asks Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? And there's the toad. Oh, I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Have you ever stood on one foot when you have the hiccups? Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Can you stand on one foot and hop up and down? I bet you can. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup! Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. I wonder if you could do that. Do you think you can hop on one foot? Hop up and down and sing a song? I bet you can. Maybe you can give that a try one day, just for fun of it. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Uh-oh. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Look, he fell down after doing all of that. Let's see. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. I wonder what Bob's going to make him do. Let's see. He stands on one foot and hops up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup! Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Can you do that? We go, take a deep breath. Remember, Jay always tells us to take a deep breath when we want to calm down, right? Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Look at his face. He's holding it, and he's holding it, and he's holding it. I wonder what's going to happen. He's holding it. Pete blows out his breath. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. He waits, and he waits, and he waits, What do you think? Do you think it worked? The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. We know that, don't we? I hope you guys haven't had hiccups in a long time. But this was a fun book to read. So next time you get the hiccups, go ask Mom, because she knows what's right and what to do. And I bet your Daddy could tell you too. So our friend went to say bye-bye and have a good day. Remember, little striped cat from her classroom sends you loves and kisses. Mwah. Bye-bye.